What if you could stop trading your time for money and start building a system that works for you 24/7? Most people spend their entire lives chasing a paycheck. But there is a different path. There are specific assets that don't just grow in value, they provide an unfair advantage in the modern economy. Today, I'm breaking down 8 of these high-leverage assets that, if accumulated, will change the trajectory of your next decade. Number 1. High-income skills. Everything starts here. You can't build an empire if you don't have the initial capital. High-income skills like sales, coding, or financial analysis are your seed capital. These are the only assets where the ceiling keeps rising the more you master them. They provide the cash flow required to acquire every other asset on this list. Number 2. AI tools and automation. We are living through the biggest productivity shift since the Industrial Revolution. If you aren't using AI, you are operating at a disadvantage. The person using AI as an orchestration tool can do the work of a 10-person team from a single laptop. It turns 8 hours of work into 45 minutes. It's not just a tool, it's a leverage machine. Number 3. Reputation and network. The biggest deals in the world don't happen on job boards. They happen through a phone call between people who trust each other. Your network is a living, compounding asset. Guard your reputation like it's your most valuable possession, because when you have an impeccable name, you gain access to opportunities money literally cannot buy. Number 4. Digital assets and audience. For most of history, you needed a publisher or a TV station to reach people. Now you own the channel. A newsletter, a YouTube channel, or a niche community is a digital asset. When you own the distribution, you don't have to pay to reach customers, you own the attention. In a world of infinite noise, attention is the new gold. Number 5. Intellectual property. Intellectual property is unique because the marginal cost of delivering one more unit is effectively zero. Whether it's a book, a course, or a patent, you create it once and sell it 1,000,000 times. It's the ultimate way to detach your income from your time. Number 6. Small business acquisitions. Stop trying to build everything from scratch. There are thousands of profitable businesses owned by people who want to retire. Why spend 5 years struggling to get a startup off the ground when you can acquire a business with existing cash flow and optimize it? You're buying a machine that already works. Number 7. Income-producing real estate. Real estate is the oldest wealth machine for a reason. It offers leverage. The bank lends you the money, the tenants pay off the debt, and the government gives you tax breaks for owning it. It's a hedge against inflation and one of the most reliable ways to build multi-generational wealth. Number 8. Physical health. None of the other 7 assets matter if you aren't here to manage them. Your health is your operating system. The data is clear. Healthier people make better decisions, have more energy to pursue high-income skills, and possess the longevity to let their wealth actually compound. It is a high-yield asset that pays dividends every single day. The wealth gap today isn't an information gap, it's an action gap. You now know which assets provide the leverage. The question is, which ones are you going to start building in the next 90 days? Don't try to do all 8 at once. Pick one foundation, one multiplier, and one store of value. Start there and let the compounding take over. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today.